Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dolce Gabbana DG4354. This is probably one of the most popular models out right now, and probably this is the most popular color in the collection. I think it's the only polarized one, I think. Maybe that's why. But we'll take a look inside. So we'll unbox it. It comes in this nice Dolce Gabbana box. Inside you're going to get your case with the frames inside. You also get the Dolce Gabbana warranty booklet. It's just like a certificate of guarantee. Comes standard, and also it comes with the drawstring slash cloth pouch case. And inside, see, I also do have a little gripe with these because it's also your cloth, but I would say it's probably one of the worst cloths. It's not great as a cloth. Other brands do it better. But hey, that's what you get. But so it comes in this nice leather case. Let me focus over here. So inside you're gonna get your frames. So this is what they are. Let me just show you the inside a little bit. So it just says Dolce Gabbana right there. I mean, it's not a crazy. It's not gonna protect it if you sit on it, but you know, it will keep it fingerprint free. So this one is the 50181 color. Like I said, this I think the only polarized versions they have for this model, and it comes in this color. So it has matte black with a lot of transparent pieces, and it's also gold. So like all the metal pieces are gold, the hinges are gold, and also inside the wire, the temple metal piece. You know, you can see it because it's transparent and it's gold inside. That's nice. I don't know if this will show up, but okay. It has the DG logo on the temple ends. It's in gold. Also on the sides, it's gonna be gold Dolce Gabbana, and also again, it says Dolce Gabbana here on the transparent part. So this, these are a men's frame. I mean, women can wear it if they want, but it was designed for guys. On the inside here, it'll read Dolce Gabbana, made in Italy. It also says a polarized on here. And on the other side, it's going to have your model number and color code and sizing info. So it has the DG4354 on here, 501-81. The sizing. So the sizing is going to be a 58mm lens width. It's going to be 15mm bridge width. It's going to be 48.6mm lens height, and 145mm temple length. My background is too white. Hope you can see that. So as size goes, I will probably say it's gonna be it's on the larger side, but still not crazy big. In between medium and large, so it'll fit most guys. But definitely, if you know, if you have a small face, these will probably be big. But there is like this is a really popular model. It's, you know, it came out earlier this year, and it's just always been on back order. We would sell out, and it just, you know, it would be back order for a month or two. But I don't know why it's popular. It's an okay frame. I don't know if like a celebrity wore it or something, but you know, every time we get it, boom, it goes. But you know, we do have one issue, like this one probably is the best one we've seen out of maybe 14 of these. And even this, it's not great, but it's almost perfect. But it's always been coming in like really warped. Like sometimes the temples are just, you know, out there on the side, like it just, you know, it's warped. And you know, it is acetate, so you know, if you leave it in the hot sun, you know, it can warp a little. But pretty much all of them came not straight, and we had to adjust all of them. Like this is the most recent one we got, and it's if you look at it, it's a little hard to see, but it is a little wonky. It's kind of going left side more, so we would have to adjust that just ever so slightly. Not a huge deal, but like I said, all the other ones just really screwed up. Like it just warped. I don't know why. So I don't know if it was just terrible quality control, or maybe the warehouse was like crazy hot or something. I don't know. But you know, if anytime you guys get like an acetate frame and you know it's not straight, it's not a defect, guys. People always assume it's a defect, and you know, you don't get your eyewear perfect every single time. Most people buy them out of store. The optician can just adjust it for you, no problem. It'll take 5-10 minutes, and also they'll adjust, you know, the temple ends and everything, so you know it'll be more comfortable for your ears. So yeah, it's never a defect, guys, but just have that in mind. Also, just to explain the lenses, it's just a simple gray polarized lens. It's a pretty dark lens, not crazy dark, but you know, it's still pretty light, but you know, it's on the darker side. Also, this model is available in a Asian fit. Anything with an Asian fit, it's going to be an F at the end of the model number. So if you wanted the Asian fit, that's DG4354F. And the only difference, like everything will be the same except the nose pad. Like here, it's, you know, it's pretty short, so you know it'll fit most people fine. But the Asian fit, it'll be more out, so it'll fit smaller noses better. Like I have, you know, I'm half Asian, and definitely I need it's better when it's like this kind of falls off my nose a little bit. But so have that in mind. I also had people in the past like the F. People thought that meant fake, which was always funny, but I don't know what the F stands for exactly, but you know, Dolce Gabbana uses F as a reference to Asian fit. I don't know why I didn't just put A, but whatever. Anyway, alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day, guys.